Hi, let's see how to fix the process returned unknown error code on Jagex Launcher. Jagex Launcher is a popular platform for playing the various games developed by Jagex such as RuneScape and Old School RuneScape. However, like any software, it's not immune to errors. One particular issue that the players may encounter is that the process returned unknown error code. Okay, the complete error message with something like error the launcher has experienced an error and needs to close. Process returned unknown error code. In this particular video, we will try to explore the potential causes behind this particular error and provide some solutions to fix this. Let's see what causes Jagex launcher process returned unknown error code. According to the user reports, this error often occurs when attempting to launch Unilite from the Jagex launcher. This can happen due to the various reasons such as poor internet connection that disrupts the game. At the times, the issues might lie with Jagex server, resulting in unresponsive launcher. Additionally, your device may not meet the minimum requirements necessary for the launcher to function correctly. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting steps you can attempt to resolve the game. If none of the steps gives you the solution to successful, it is advisable to contact the support team for further assistance. Let's see how to fix the Jagex launcher process returned unknown error code. The first method is check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for the Jagex launcher to work correctly. If your internet connection is weak or unstable, it can lead to an error. Some of the steps to check your internet connection: turn off your router or the modem, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. If the problem persists, you can reset your network settings on your device. Go to the network settings menu and look for the option to reset or restart the network settings. If you are using a Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection to rule out any potential wireless issues. Restart your router or modem to refresh the connection. And the second method is check for the Jagex launcher update. If you encounter unknown errors while using the Jagex launcher, it may be due to the outdated version with Jagex existing bugs. To fix this issue, visit the official Jagex launcher website, which is jagex.com, and look for any updates available. Make sure to install these updates to enjoy the smoother and error-free experience. Okay, so the third method is check for the system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the Jagex launcher. Check the system requirements for the Jagex launcher listed below. System requirements for the Windows operating system is Windows 7 or later with 64-bit, CPU with Intel i3 core processor or AMD at 2.4 GHz, GPU GeForce 400, Intel High Definition 4X, AMD Radeon 7 Plus with OpenGL3 or higher support, RAM with minimum 4 GB, storage of at least 8 GB of available space for the NXT caches. The sixth requirement for the Mac OS operating system, Mac OS 10 or later, CPU Intel i3 core processor with 2.4 GHz, GPU AMD Radeon 7 Plus with RAM minimum of 4 GB, storage of at least 8 GB of available space for NXT caches. And the fourth method is disable the firewall or the antivirus temporarily. You can turn off the firewall or the antivirus for a short time. Sometimes these programs can cause the problems with the launcher. To temporarily disable your antivirus software's firewall, locate the antivirus program on your computer or a system, open its settings, and disable the firewall feature. To temporarily disable the firewall on your system or a computer, you have to follow some of the steps. Open the control panel, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and select appropriate network profile. Choose the option to turn off the firewall for the selected profile, save the changes and exit the settings. And the fifth method is clear Jagex Launcher caches. If this error persists, then you can try clearing the launcher caches. This can help you to resolve any corrupt or outdated files that might be causing the error. To clear the Jagex Launcher caches on your device, please follow some of the steps. Plus Windows key, plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type percentage local app data percentage in the similar way. We show you. So once you go to the run box, here you can type percentage local app data percentage, then you can press enter. This will open a local app data folder. Locate the open Jagex Launcher folder. Inside the Jagex Launcher folder, you should see cache folder. Right click on the cache folder and then select delete from the context menu. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Once the cache folder is deleted, you can restart the Jagex Launcher client. And the sixth method is uninstall and reinstall the Jagex Launcher. If you are still having a trouble with the Jagex Launcher, a good fix is to uninstall it from the computer and then install it again from the official website, that is jagex.com. During this can solve the issues caused by the files that are not properly installed or missing. To uninstall and reinstall the Jagex Launcher, you have to follow some of the steps. Press Windows key plus I on your keyboard to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, click on apps. In the app settings, search for the Jagex Launcher in the search bar. Once you locate the Jagex Launcher, click on it to select it. Click on the three dots and then click on uninstall button. Follow on-screen instruction to uninstall the Jagex Launcher. After uninstalling, visit the official website Jagex Launcher in your web browser. This is the particular website. Download the latest version of the Jagex Launcher from the website. Once the download is complete, run the installer file. And the seventh method is contact Jagex Launcher support team. If the error persists, then it is advisable to contact the Jagex support team, support.RuneScape.com. Okay, so what you can do is, like, once you visit this particular website, you can contact them and you can tell them the issue. They have the expertise and they will be able to help you to fix the particular problem or any kind of problem. Okay, so that's all about this. Thank you.